Hey lovelies, welcome to Miss Ajili, your go-to place for beautiful African hairstyles and creative braids inspirations. Come, let me show you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Sleekk ponytail hairstyles. I'm recording this voiceover on the 10th of December, which means that we have 15 days to Christmas. So I thought it wise to give you guys some inspiration to look good with ponytail hairstyles this coming festive season, so that you can walk confidently into the new year and conquer everything that will serve as an hindrance to your success. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and your love and everything you do for my channel and I the whole of this year and beyond. Thank you and God bless you. So as I said earlier, this video is about Sleekk ponytail hairstyles, and this is not all the videos, or this is not all the inspiration I have for you guys to look good into the festive season. My next video is going to be about protective braid hairstyle. That's for those in climate areas where wearing ponytail hairstyles will not be favorable for them. Braids will be the good option. So I'm going to give you some inspiration on braids so you can look your best into the festive season. So you really have to like this video, comment, most importantly subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post the next video. Okay, thank you. So in this video I will talk about how to get your ponytail hairstyles to be sleek, how to maintain them and get them on for a very long time, and then how to take them off so that you don't damage or break your hair in the process. Ponytail hairstyles are great protective hairstyles, but they become bad when they are not installed well, or two, when they are not taken down properly or the right way. So most people use products that I find very harsh to the hair, okay, when they are installing ponytail hairstyles. The most safest ponytail hairstyle that I've seen people doing recently that I would definitely do if I really want to get a ponytail hairstyle is the frontal ponytail hairstyle. I know you might have your concerns and everything, but listen to mine. I like it because, one, with that one, all the harsh products that will be used will go on the frontal wig, okay? So that things will not touch your natural hair to damage it. And two, you can have it done on natural hair. You see, natural hair, especially if you have very coarse tight curls, okay, and then you really need a very sleek ponytail hairstyles. That means your natural hair has to be taken through lots of heat and lots of harsh products which can damage your hair after you take down the ponytail hairstyle in 4 weeks time or maximum 6 weeks time, okay? So having a frontal ponytail on natural hair really makes a lot of sense to me. And if I should have natural hair, I will never use my real natural hair for ponytail hairstyle. I'll go for the frontal. Yes. Previously, when people get ponytail done, those days we were just using the gel, which maximum that people keep their ponytail hairstyles in is like 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. That's for those who will just remove their eyes, and then it doesn't really take long. But these days I see people keep ponytail hairstyles in as long as 4-5 weeks, even 6 weeks, even 8 weeks. Yes. And I'm like, wow, like things are really improving in spite of products wise and everything. So I'm really impressed. So to keep your ponytail hairstyle for a very long time, or let's say not for a very long time, but let's say you'll be busy and you will not be able to change it weekly, like, it's good for you to get a put your hair up or the ponytail up in a silk bonnet before you go to bed. But I think for frontal ponytails, they can rise. You know, the frontal will rise because the person will constantly be sweating. So that one, I think the tops the person can keep in is like 1 week or maybe 8 days. I don't know. But mostly I see that people's frontal rises. So I think for that one, to prevent that, you have to tie, what's the thing, the melting elastic they use to melt down the frontal when they are laying it down. Before you go to bed, you put it there. Before you tie your scalp, then you tie your bonnet. And before you step out in the morning, every day when you take out your ponytail hairstyle, not every day, but like when it's needed, okay, you spray on some sheen spray, any sheen spray that you have, or you can even apply some mousse on it before you spray the sheen spray, so that the ponytail will look new every day. And also, the type of hair you use for your ponytail is very, very important, okay? So you have to go in for a very, very good human hair, okay? That's if you are leaving the ponytail on like this. But if it's a braided ponytail, I think that one, any hair will do, because you are not going to remove the braids until you take off the ponytail. But if it's going to be something like this that is going to be hanging, combing it, if it's not human hair, is going to really stretch you out, and also make the hair come off quickly, because combing it is hard, and because the hair is not original, it's going to tangle a lot, so managing it will be very difficult. But if you're going to have a ponytail like this one with a knot at the back, I think any hair will do. Even braiding hair, mostly they use their braiding expressions to do that, and that's fine. And example, this one as well, you can use any hair. But yeah, know your environment, your weather, where you stay, before you choose certain styles of ponytail hairstyles, okay? Because some people live in places where the weather is very dry, always dry. So let's say if you have natural hair and the stylist tried her best to lay it down so sleek, but when you get to your environment, or like you come out a little, because the weather is very humid, it makes the hair shrink and it doesn't look sleek anymore. So that means that your ponytail didn't really last long. So you have to know the weather, and you choose the kind of ponytail, then you can be able to choose the right ponytail and styles, okay? I know sometimes you want to try some styles because you feel it will look good on us, or because you feel it's trending, everybody is getting it done. But then if it will not favor you because of where you are staying, choose the one that will favor you, okay? Because at the end of the day, you're going to pay the stylist money, and you might even think it was the stylist's fault, but it isn't. It could be the environment or the weather that you stay, or where you stay, or whatever. So you have to know your weather, your environment, and then you choose the right appropriate ponytail hairstyles. When going for a ponytail hairstyles, also choose a good hairstylist. Choose someone that you know the person has done what you want for another person, and you were so satisfied. And that's what I do when I'm choosing a hairstylist, or even just anybody to do something for me for the first time. I mostly ask or go to people that have got the same thing done, and then I ask them, who did it for you? So when I'm going, I'm confident that the person will do exactly what I want. Because I am a type of person that if I go to the salon and the person is doing my hair and I don't like it, I'll cry within me. I'll even come home and I'll cry tears, real tears, because I did not order what I got, okay? So I always go to people that I've done for others, that I think that if I go, they'll do the same thing for me. Not someone new that would tell me, oh, I can do it, and then later on to do something else for you. I've always been there, so now I don't do that anymore. So if you've done some for someone and I feel like this thing looks nice, that's exactly what I want, I'll go for it. I'll come to you, or I'll come to the person and I'll tell you, take me to who did it. And then I know that as she's taking me, what she has is what I want. So that's exactly what I'm going to get. So I do not have fears. I'm so relaxed the entire appointment, and at the end of the day I come home smiling and I'm so happy and confident. If you want to get ponytail hairstyles done, there are certain products you always have to have at home. First of all, a sheen spray. Second, what's the name, mousse, gel, and then what else? I think spirits. Okay, so that you can use it to maintain the ponytail hairstyle, so they will look new every day. And then the other set of things you need is a scarf. That's a silky scarf, okay, and a silky bonnet. First of all, you have to tie the hair with a scarf. Then after that, you wear the bonnet on it, so it will protect the whole thing. Okay, so these kind of things can help make or maintain your ponytail hairstyles for a very long time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have been inspired and you've learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that I'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Like I said, my next video, I'm going to be posting some inspirational braid hairstyles. That's if maybe you didn't like any of the ponytail hairstyles, or you don't like ponytail for the festive season, I got you with braids. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification importantly so that you'll be notified when I post that video. I love you all, and Merry Christmas in advance, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Today's styles inspo. Which of these hairstyles was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. I always reply. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay stylish with Miss Ajali, and I'll see you guys in my